Who must have kept this?
This is an expression of my love to you. You are the most wonderful creature that has ever happened in my life. Thanks for restoring my dignity as a man.
Always be.
Hey, good morning.
Hi.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You're at work early today.
Yeah, sure.
Did you?
Yes, I did. I hope you like it.
Yes, I do. Thank you.
Alright, it's fine. I'll be in my office.
Alright. Thank you.
Yeah.
Something took over me. Oh my God. Day and night. Oh, I kneel down and pray to you, Lord. Then I heard the voice.
Since that girl bailed us from the police custody, he has changed. He stopped picking my call, and the last time he did, he just told me that he will call me back, but he never did. This is serious. I think I need to find out what's happening. I need to find out. I really need to find out, because this is becoming something else. Maicon, don't play with me. Do not play with me.
Day and night. Oh, I kneel down and pray to you, Lord. Then I heard the voice. I heard the voice of the gods. Then I heard the voice. I heard the voice of the Spirit.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
Fine, thank you, sir.
And how was your night?
Very well, sir. Thank you.
This is for you.
Wow! What's up for me?
Yes.
Oh my God, this is what, sir?
Anything for you.
Oh, thank you so much, sir. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Thank you. The office is open, sir. If you need anything, sir, please let me know.
I will.
Thank you so much, sir. Oh my God, this is all this for me. God, thank you. Thank you, God. My boss is now a happy man. Thank you, God. Thank you. Wow. This would suit this. Oh my God. Wow.
They say what goes around will surely come around. Whatever you say.
See if you don't let us argue over this.
Argue over what exactly? Michael, you've not said anything that makes sense to me.
See, I do not want us to continue this relationship. Why? Because if you look at me, a lot have changed. You know, I now wear suit. The only thing that has not changed are my 2 earrings, which I know over time it will adjust. That is because I have decided to, leave my old ways. I want to help my father take the company to the next level. Alright, so I'm saying you should bear with me, okay?
Maicon, I cannot bear with you. Bear with you for what? Oh, I see. Now I understand what is playing. It's obvious to me that you've gotten yourself a new girlfriend and you just want to dump me. Yes. Of course, I will not allow that.
Can you listen to me for one?
Listen to you say? It's obvious you have nothing to say. Oh, Michael, you think you can deceive me? You think you can use me and dump me? Michael, you have forgotten who you are dealing with.
Let us not go there. Let us not go there. See, we all know who we are. Alright?
Fine then. Just do whatever thing you have in your mind. But trust me, I will never take it lightly with you.
At least I've made my point clear to her. Whatever that happens, it's no longer my fault.
They say what goes around will surely come around. Whatever you sow, that is what you reap. I'm a me kinda yo. I'm a me kinda yo.
Let's not forget. Are you going to be free this weekend? Because both of us will be traveling to Abuja for a business trip.
When exactly, sir? This weekend, when?
Friday, 4 p.m. flight. To come back on Sunday.
Yes, sir.
Is that alright with you?
Of course, sir, it's fine.
Okay. Just to let you know. You may go now.
Okay, sir, when do I come back for the document?
Yeah, you come back for it.
They say what goes around will surely come around. Whatever you sow, that is what you reap. I'm a me kinda yo.
Hey, Dad. Son. Send for me?
Yes.
Okay. Alright. Hope all is well anyway.
All is well, sir. Even inside the well, it is well.
Alright.
I know you'll be surprised at what I'm about to tell you. I think it's time I let you know about it.
Okay. I'm listening.
You know, it's been a decade since I lost your mother, my beautiful wife. Her death left me with a very big vacuum, which I've been battling over all these years. But I think it's time I filled up that vacuum by taking another wife.
Wow. Nice. Nice. Good idea. Well, I have actually been waiting for this time. I have actually been thinking about it. So, good. I support you.
Really?
Yeah. Yes, 100. So I didn't know that's why I kept it low. But I support you 100 anyways.
I am happy I have your support.
Yeah, of course. You have my support. Wow, this is a good idea. This is one of the best ideas I've heard in a while. So, have you found someone?
Well, son, I'm still searching, though I'm not bongo sick well.
You know, I have eyes. What touch of people that is something that is good.
That's
That's what's up.
So it's my choice. Can't choose one.
Alright. You want me to help?
So, that was how we met your father.
Wow. So my father paid for the apartment you and your mother live in?
Yes.
Nice man. My father is a nice man. He doesn't have a problem. Like, I missed him. All this while I was being a prodigal son, I missed him. But hey. I remain forever grateful to you. You know, you brought me back to life. And I want to say, nothing is going to change my gratitude. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Thank you too.
Richard,
Yeah.
there is something I want to say, and if I do not say it now, I may not say it again.
Really?
Ask me to go on.
Okay. Go on.
You see, from the first day you came to visit me in that police station, my feelings about you have been growing. Like, it's been so strong that sometimes I don't even sleep. I think about you so much day and night that I barely concentrate. And I want to say something, which is, please marry me. Please, don't say no. Please, don't say no.
I don't know what to say.
You know what to say. Just that you're too shy to say it. I know you have developed the same feelings for me.
How did he know that I have the same feelings for him?
Hey, we make a good couple. Yes. I'll be a good husband for you. I'll make a good husband to you. My father will be so glad if he hears that I proposed to you. Tell me you love me too.
They say what goes around will surely come around. Whatever you sow, that is what you reap.
Hygienist! Hygienist! Come here. Has it been long my son drove out?
Yes, sir, he drove out, but he said he's coming back quickly.
Okay. You can go now.
I tell you, say this life gon' make you wonder. Many chapters we are here to open. Akifu adigomini, Nelu abukwanili, Nibisi Chidiebere. They say what goes around will surely come around. Whatever you sow, that is what you reap. I'ma be here, kinda yo. I'ma be here, kinda yo.
Yo, here you go. There we go.
What? Why are you looking at me? Stop.
I just want to say I love you so much, babe.
I love you too.
Something took over me. Oh my God. Day and night. Oh, I kneel down and pray to you, Lord. Then I heard the voice. I heard the voice of the gods. Then I heard the voice. I heard the voice of the Spirit.
What is happening? She is not picking my call. Where did she keep her phone? I told her to get here before 3:30. And it's almost 3:30 that my flight leaves at 4 p.m. This girl is about to disappoint me.
I prayed, something took over me. Oh my God. Day and night. Oh, I kneel down and pray to you, Lord. Then I heard the voice. I heard the voice of the gods. Then I heard the voice. I heard the voice of the Spirit.
My God, everything happened so fast. She begged me to use condom because she's ovulating, but I ignored her. Wow. I don't want her to wake up and be angry.
I don't want her to be angry when she wake up. She might think I took advantage of her.
Hey, babe. Babe. Get up. Alright?
Oh my God.
Easy.
Oh my God. I slept.
You slept. We slept.
Gosh, what a time. I should be with your dad right now.
I know. Hey, I'm sorry. I mean, I didn't mean to.
It's okay. I'm fine.
Alright, so my dad has been calling.
Yeah, that's it. Junior, actually, oh my God, look at the time. I have lots of missed calls from your dad. Jeez. Oh God, he's coming back. Oh. Hello, sir. Yes, sir. I'm so sorry, sir. I forgot my phone at home, so I just got back to pick it up, sir. Yes, sir. I'm actually on my way to you right now, sir. Okay, sir. Alright, sir. I'll see you shortly, sir, please. Don't be offended, sir, please. Yes, sir. Gosh, I need to go. Your dad said he would call you now, so.
It's okay.
Alright.
Go freshen up.
Yeah.
They say what goes around will surely come around. Whatever you sow, that is what you reap.
I'm going to drop you off. Then you get your bag, change into something, and then move, right?
All right, that's fine.
Hey, I'm so happy that you accepted me into your life.
Like everything is happening so fast, so fast.
Anyway, what are we waiting for? Nothing. Aha. My father said he wants to marry another wife.
Really?
Yeah. And I gave my full support. What do you think?
Well, thinking about it, not a bad idea, really. I mean, the man needs a companion. Right. Oh, good, good.
You think so?
Yeah. It's a good one.
Oh, okay.
Wow,
All right,
wow.
so go over there.
I should go over there myself.
I'm sorry, I'm not just but hello.
Don't tell me sorry. Do what you have to do.
Okay. All right.
Gentleman, you are.
All right, then here you go. On your honor.
That's nice. Thank you.
All right.
They say what goes
There you go.
around will surely come around. Whatever you sow, that is what you reap. I'ma be here, kinda yo. 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 I tell you, say this life gon' make you wonder. Many chapters we are here to open. I keep fool what you go believe. Hello, Abu Lily, Caz Chidiebere. They say what goes around will surely come around. Whatever you sow, that is what you reap. I'ma be here.
Oh my God. Good afternoon, sir. Sir, please, I'm so sorry for the delay, sir.
Hey, Dad. Yo, Dad.
You're taking me to the airport. You sure you're taking us to the airport now?
Oh, really? So I have good news. I mean,
Excuse me, sir.
Whatever is it you have to tell me, we'll have to wait till I come back.
They say what goes around will surely come around. Whatever you sow, that is what you reap. I'ma be here, kinda yo. 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 I tell you, say this life gon' make you wonder. Many chapters we are here to open. I keep fool what you go believe. Hello, Abu Lily, Caz Chidiebere. They say what goes around will surely come around. Whatever you sow, that is what you reap. I'ma be here, kinda yo. They say what goes around will surely come around. Whatever you sow, that is what you reap. I'ma be here.
I thought he was supposed to get like 2 separate rooms for us. Why did we just get 1 room? I don't understand. Anyway, let me wait here and know. Maybe he has gone to his room or I don't know. Hi.
Okay.
I'm fine. I'm so sorry I haven't called you. We just got here and we just checked in.
No need asking if your journey was okay, because I already know.
Oh yes, it was a successful one.
Thank God. I'm gonna miss you already.
I'll miss you too.
So, you are in your room already?
Yes, I am. I'm just about to freshen up.
Let me allow you then, okay? I'm gonna call you back.
Okay.
I miss you already, baby.
I love you too.
Yeah. Hey. God, thank you. Thank you for giving me a good woman. Not all this anyhow people from your girls everywhere.
Shouting, Mama. She has started vomiting again. Isn't it obvious? Is this not enough to know that all is not well? Informer. Informer, what is wrong with you? Again, Nemeg.
Mama, there is nothing wrong with you.
Abia.
Nothing is wrong with you. Just tell her to shut up her mouth.
Why not say the truth? Isn't it all suddenly started vomiting? When is your
mind your business, Mama. Tell her to mind her business.
Okay. Mama, you're just saying, You're not saying anything, no. What do you expect me to say? When she told us she is fine. Can you fetch her? Oh. Sorry, who we ain't talking for? Tomorrow. We are here. I am watching. We are watching. When time comes, we are gonna go. I think Janet is right. Something is wrong. Yes, something is wrong with her.
Obinna, what are you trying to say?
Papa, what I'm trying to say is that I want to sell that house.
You want to sell the house as what? Is it your own house? Huh?
Papa, it's our house now. Your brother is no more alive. And his family has been banished. So why are you keeping that house? Let us sell it, please. I need money.
Obinna, I can see you have gone mad.
Papa, listen, point of correction. That is an insult. That is an insult, Papa. Why will you call me a madman? No, why will you call me a madman, Papa? Why will you call me a madman?
Obinna, are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not ashamed of yourself? You want to sell another man's property because you need money. Literally, you lavish here. You want to lavish the money?
Yes, Mama.
As usual.
Yes, Papa.
I will rent it out. I will rent that house out. Is
that what you said?
Yes.
Are you?
Papa,
I will shock you.
Shock you,
Papa, I shock you.
Shock you,
I will shock you, Papa.
Shock you,
Papa, I will shock you.
Shock you,
Papa, I will shock you.
Shock you, unless you are a ban. nne ya afọ. Just wait and see. Hey! Just wait and see. Nwa. Amụ okwu. Amụ okwu. Eh? Hey! Kedu ife mmadụ ji isi wee kụta?
They say what goes around will surely come around. Whatever you sow, that is what you reap.
This man is such a responsible man. And I was scared about the room, if we were going to be in the same room or not. And he gave me my secret room. That's why I respect him so much. Yes. Oh boy. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Yes, sir.
How was your night?
My night was fine, sir.
Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Have you had breakfast?
I did. I went to the restaurant to eat. Thank you, sir. Sir, I wanted to ask you, the meeting or conference we're having this morning, is it with a company or an individual?
Not really.
Oh.
Who gave you the ring you're wearing?
Nobody, sir. I bought it.
It's nice. Rita.
Sir.
I want to say I'm sorry for lying to you. When I told you we are coming to Abuja for a business trip, I lied. I actually set it up for us to have a quiet time together and talk about each other.
Sir, I don't understand you, sir.
You see, you're just a replica of my late wife. There's no difference. The physical presence is the same. And for so long I have been having these feelings for you. But I really don't know how to say it. Rita, please, marry me and fill up this vacuum in my life.
Sir. Wait, you brought me here to tell me all of this?
I'm sorry for lying to you. Please accept my proposal. And I'll take you to London. We'll spend our honeymoon there. I will make sure you will never lack. And I promise to love you for the rest of my life. Please.
Sir, with all due respect, I can't marry you, sir. You're like my father. You're old enough to be my father, sir.
I know that. You're right. But in marriage, age does not count. What counts is love. The way you feel about someone.
Sir, I really appreciate you, sir. And I appreciate everything you have done for my mother and I. I will forever be grateful to you, sir. From the depth of my heart, I appreciate you, sir. But sir, I cannot marry you, sir, please. I cannot, sir, please. Don't be angry. Please, sir.
So you are turning down my proposal? Are you turning down my proposal?
Hello? Listen, I'll have to call you back, alright? Okay.
And who was that calling you?
It's your son, sir.
Why must he always call you all the time?
You know, we were discussing something before you came in, so he just called me to get some information about the company. We've been talking about it. Yes, sir.
Enke baby. Enke baby. How are you?
Fine, thank you. Good afternoon.
Afternoon. Oh, Mali Chanwa. Enke baby. It's called body of Brille. Hey! So, where are you heading to?
I want to go and see Obina.
Enke. Which one is Obina? What do you have with this Obina of a guy? What can Obina offer you that I cannot give to you? Look at me now. Up with the machine, look at me.
Ojuku, are we talking about Obina, your friend here?
The friendship, oh. Forget friendship, he's one seeking for my friendship. I'm a fine boy. Don't forget that guy.
You are mad.
Don't insult me because of name alone. I'll take that.
Okay now. What are you doing with my enke?
What sort of silly and useless question is that? Is your name written on her body?
Do you need to know? Huh? Okay, my name is written on her body. Very quick one. A very quick one. I don't want to see you anywhere around this girl again. If I see you anywhere around this girl, Ojuku. Ojuku. If not for something, baby.
Yes.
You see this boy? He's my friend, but I don't trust him.
Me too.
If he stops you anywhere around this village, run for your life.
Don't insult me.
I will run.
Run for your life.
Don't insult me, Obina. Obina, don't insult me. Diego.
You try me in this village. Try me.
Diego belt. Diego belt. So.
Try me.
It's on. Can you imagine? I'll find boy to come. Because I'm even talking to that the small girl.
Why is this man doing this? And at first I thought it was a joke. Why? Why now? Why now? Why now? Oh God. And I don't even want to tell his son about this. Because if I tell his son, it will just cause issues between them, and I don't want that. I don't want it. I don't even know how my mother is going to react. Why is this man doing this now? Why is he calling me now, eh? See this man that I respect so much. Why is he doing this? Hello, sir. Sir. Ah! Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Please, I'm coming right away, sir. Sorry. Please, sir.
Hey! Hey! My waist. accidentally fell.
Oh my God.
I think I have a broken wrist.
What? Oh, sir, sorry. Please, let me help you up, sir. Please, let me help you.
I can't even get up. I am having a serious pain in my wrist.
Oh my God. Sorry, sir. You know what? I have to call the reception so they can get us a doctor. Okay?
Don't worry about it. Just allow me to stay here for some time. Then you can help me to the bed.
Really? Sir, you want to be here?
My wrist.
I mean, I could try. I could help you up. Okay, let me get one pillow for you. So you can support your head. Oh, so sorry, sir. Sorry.
I'm actually trying to get the juice on the table.
Oh.
You can't help yourself to it. It's cold and you won't like it.
So what about you? I'm just worried about you, sir.
I'll be fine. Just allow me to rest a little.
What is the problem? Rita, what is the problem? Pick your call. I know you've not slept by now. Where did you keep your phone? Take your call. You know how much I love listening to your voice before I go to bed.
So quick. Well, I am sorry I have to do this. She complained to me earlier today that she was having ovulation pains. If that is true, then this is my best opportunity.
Rita was not picking her call throughout the night. And now the phone is switched off. I just hope all is well with her, as a matter of fact. Should I call Dad? Or maybe we were in a meeting and then she dropped her phone to avoid distractions.
To explain?
Sir, what did you do to me? What did you do to me, sir? Sir, what did you do to me? Oh my God!
Said, let me explain.
Explain what, sir? Sir, you raped me! Ah!
It was a mistake.
Sir, what have I done to you to deserve this?
It was a mistake.
What kind of mistake? Sir, what kind of Jesus? Oh my God, sir, how could you have done? Oh, sir, this wasn't a mistake. It wasn't. You lured me into this room, right? You pretended that you had broken your waist. You couldn't even get up. How did you get? Oh my God, sir.
I'm sorry.
Ah, the drink, sir. Sir, you drugged it, right? Sir, how could you do this to me? You drugged the drink. Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Oh my God, sir, God, I can't believe this. Sir, you raped me. Sir, I am going to tell your son about this, and I am going to tell my mother. Oh my God.
I'm sorry, please.
God, I can't believe this.
You're right. I'm a wicked man. I deserve to be punished. But please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. Remember all I did for you and your mother. And it was because of the love I have for you. No! And I still want you to marry me.
They say what goes around will surely come around. Whatever you sow, that is what you reap. I'm a me here, kinda yo. I'm a me here, kinda yo. I'm a me here, kinda yo. Kinda yo. I tell you, say this life go make you wonder. Many chapters we are here to open. Nakifu wadigo mini.
Hey, Dad.
What's up, son?
Hey, wait. Hey. You know, I've been meaning to discuss something with you, like...
Here you go. Yes.
Yeah, I found her.
You have found who?
The woman after my heart. One man, one other demon, one matter.
Wow.
You know, rentas you know?
That's great, son.
Yeah.
I'm very proud of you.
Wow. Thank you, Father.
So who is she?
Well, I boss a joke or Father in a parish. You will see her soon, don't worry.
I can't wait. I'm so proud of you. Now I can't wait for you to marry first, then I can go after my own.
Hey, Dad, but you're still searching.
No. I already found my own. I'm only waiting for you to present first.
Bad guy. Sharp guy. But sharp guy. Oh, nice, okay. Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Thank you. So, meanwhile, I'm not pim.
Very thoughtful of us.
Yeah, sure. All right, then. Ciao, ciao.
Who will this lucky woman be?
They say what goes around will surely come around. Whatever you sow, that is what you reap. I'ma be here, kinda yo. I'ma be here.
Really? You're not going to work today? Eh? Is there a problem?
There is something I should have told you, but I did not tell you.
What is it?
Chief lied to me. He lied about the business trip to Abuja. This man is such a responsible man. And I was scared about the room, if we were going to be in the same room or not. And he gave me my secret room. That's why I respect him so much. Yes. Oh. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Yes, sir.
How was your night?
My night was fine, sir.
Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Have you had breakfast?
I did. I went to the restaurant to eat. Thank you, sir. Sir, I wanted to ask you, the meeting or conference we're having this morning, is it with a company or an individual?
Not really.
Oh.
Who gave you the ring you're wearing?
Nobody, sir. I bought it.
It's nice. Rita.
Sir.
I want to say I'm sorry for lying to you. When I told you we are coming to Abuja for a business trip, I lied. I actually set it up for us to have a quiet time together and talk about each other.
Sir, I don't understand you, sir.
You see, you're just a replica of my late wife. There's no difference. The physical presence is the same. And for so long I have been having these feelings for you. But I really don't know how to say it. Rita, please, marry me and fill up this vacuum in my life.
Sir. Oh, wait, you brought me here to tell me all of this?
I'm sorry for lying to you. Please accept my proposal and I'll take you to London. We'll spend our honeymoon there. I will make sure you'll never lack. And I promise to love you for the rest of my life. Please.
Sir, with all due respect, I can't marry you, sir. You're like my father. You're old enough to be my father, sir.
I know that. You're right. But in marriage, age does not count. What counts is love. The way you feel about someone. Sir, I really appreciate you, sir. And I appreciate everything you have done for my mother and I will forever be grateful to you, sir. From the depth of my heart, I appreciate you, sir.
But sir, Sir, I cannot marry you, sir, please. I cannot, sir, please. Don't be angry. Please, sir.
So you are turning down my proposal? Are you turning down my proposal?
Hello? Listen, I'll have to call you back, alright? Okay.
And who was that calling you?
It's your son, sir.
Why must he always call you all the time?
You know, we were discussing something before you came in, so he just called me to get some information about the company. We've been talking about it. Yes,
sir. Chief proposed to you. That's good news.
Mom, what did you just say?
It's good news. That man has been good to us. I know that he is responsible as well. He will take proper care of you if you marry him. Yes.
Mama. Huh? Mama, what are you saying? That man is old enough to be my father.
Forget the age. Age is just a number. Moreover, it doesn't count in marriage.
Mama, I'm surprised at you.
I am your mother. I cannot deceive you. Moreover, there is this adage that says one good turn deserves another. It's been good to us. Check it now.
Mom, instead of me to marry Chief, I'll rather marry his son, who has also proposed to me.
His son proposed to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Father and son proposed to you? Is this some kind of joke or what?
Mama, please excuse me.
Father and son proposed to my daughter. I just said that one more book again. What kind of confusion is this?
Mama, I've told you. I have told you that I cannot marry that man.
And I will keep reminding you of the adage which says, one good turn deserves another.
Okay.
Remember how we were when the man met us?
Okay, what are you trying to say? Are you talking about reciprocating what he did for us? If that's what you're saying, then I've done that already. I reconciled him and his son.
That is not enough. Besides, he has good intentions proposing to you.
See, Mama, I don't know what else you want me to do. I cannot marry him. I am already in love with his son. And I told you already. I'm in love with him. There's nothing I can do right now.
Did you tell him about his son?
No.
Does his son know about his father proposing to you?
No, he doesn't. I don't even know how to tell him.
Rita, I'm your mother and I will never deceive you. Heed my advice.
No, Mama, this advice can work.
daughter, I know how you feel. But as you can see, we don't have any other place to go to. Please.
Please what? Mama, please what? Please what? What are you trying to tell me? Eh? What are you trying to say?
Wait to Obi. Wait to Obi. 2 wrongs will never make a right.
2 wrongs what? Mama, which 2 wrongs now? Which 2 wrongs? How? This same man raped me. And then he came here today to tell me to vacate his house. Us, in fact. That we should leave his house in 3 days. Then what do you want me to do? 2 wrongs how?
He knows we do not have any other place to go to. I mean, where do we go from here?
I don't care. Mama, I do not care right now. And if you like, don't live with me, oh. If you like, don't follow me.
Live with you to where? Follow you to where? Rita.
Mama, what do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? You want me to accept his proposal so I can retain this house, right? Mama, I will not do it. I will kill myself first. He will do it. That man raped me, Mama. He raped me. Is it because he's going behind bars? Is it because I do not want to report him to the... He's very lucky. He's very, very lucky.